Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to add a player on the Sleeper app for fantasy football, whether you're making mid-season adjustments or just trying to fix up your roster. This guide's got you covered. Oh, and credit where it's due. Shout out to support.sleeper.com for providing all the details I'll share today. So let's dive in. First things first, if you're just a regular league member, adding a player is super easy. Open the Sleeper app and head to your league. Swipe right or tap the player icon at the top right of your screen. This pulls up a list of available players in your league. You can sort by position, QB, WR, whatever you're looking for, and even tap a player's name to check their stats and performance logs. Found someone you want? Tap Add Player. Remember, you'll need to drop someone if your roster is full, so make sure you're ready to let go of a weaker performer. Easy, right? Now, if you're a commissioner, you've got some extra power to move players around for any team in the league. Here's how you do it. Open the Sleeper app and go to Commish Settings. Tap on Roster Players. From here, you can force add or drop players as needed. Why would you do this? Maybe someone missed a draft pick or you're correcting a mistake in the league. This feature gives you total control to make things right. Once changes are made, the app will even notify the league through the chat, so everyone knows the update came from you. Here's another cool commissioner feature, adjusting lineups and scores. Say a team needs points corrected or you need to swap out a starter for a bench player after the week is over. Go to Commissioner Control and tap Edit Lineups and Matchup Scores. Select the team and week you want to adjust, swap players, or edit their total points manually. When you are done, hit Recalculate all matchup scores for week. Keep in mind you can only edit current week scores after all NFL games for that week are completed. Oh, and league records might take a little time to sync, usually by the day. So whether you're adding players to your roster or flexing your commissioner powers to keep the league running smoothly, the Sleeper app makes it pretty simple. If you're still stuck or have questions, you can always reach out to support@sleeper.app for help. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe.